Welcome to our channel only for seniors, where we bring you trusted tips, natural remedies, and health secrets designed especially for people over the age of 60. If you've been struggling with blurry vision, eye fatigue, or waking up with tired, dry eyes, then today's video might be life-changing for you. Because what if I told you that eating just one simple fruit before bed could actually help repair your eyes overnight? Sounds almost too good to be true, right? But stay with me until the very end of this video, because we're going to explore exactly how this fruit works, why it's perfect for seniors, and the science behind its power to protect your vision as you age. And remember, when you're over 60, your eyes deserve extra care. Vision isn't just about reading or seeing clearly. It's about independence, safety, and keeping your connection to the world around you. So let's dive in. Section 1. Why eye health matters more after 60. After the age of 60, many seniors in the United States begin to notice changes in their eyesight. Words on the newspaper start to blur, nighttime driving becomes more difficult, and bright glares from headlights can be uncomfortable. These aren't just random inconveniences, they're part of the natural aging process of the eyes. Common age-related conditions include cataracts, which cause cloudy vision, age-related macular degeneration, AMD, which can damage central vision, glaucoma, where pressure inside the eye can harm the optic nerve, and dry eyes, which make reading or using screens uncomfortable. Now, while regular checkups with your eye doctor are absolutely necessary, research has shown that what we eat has a tremendous impact on how our eyes age. And yes, one particular fruit has been called nature's eye protector, and it might just become your bedtime ritual. Section 2. The magic fruit revealed. So, what is this fruit that can help repair your eyes overnight? It's the kiwi. That's right, the small, fuzzy, green fruit you often find in the grocery store's produce section. Don't underestimate it because of its size. Kiwi is one of the most nutrient-packed fruits in the world, especially when it comes to supporting eye health for seniors. Why kiwi before bed? Because kiwi contains a powerful combination of vitamin C, lutein, zeaxanthin, antioxidants, and serotonin that not only protect your eyes but also help you sleep better. And as you may already know, good sleep is essential for cell repair, including the delicate cells in your eyes. Section 3. The science behind kiwi and eye health. Let's break it down. Rich in vitamin C. Kiwi has one of the highest concentrations of vitamin C of any fruit. Vitamin C helps protect the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, keeping them healthy and reducing the risk of cataracts. For seniors, cataracts are one of the leading causes of blindness, so preventing them naturally is a huge win. Lutein and zeaxanthin. These are natural carotenoids, often called the sunglasses for your eyes. They protect your retina from harmful blue light, something many seniors are exposed to every day through TVs, phones, and computer screens. Eating kiwi before bed ensures your body has the antioxidants it needs to fight off nighttime oxidative stress while you sleep. Improved sleep equals better eye repair. Did you know that kiwi naturally contains serotonin and antioxidants that help regulate sleep? One clinical study showed that eating 2 kiwis an hour before bedtime significantly improved both sleep quality and duration. This matters because the eye goes through crucial repair cycles while you're sleeping. So, by eating kiwi, you're supporting both your sleep and your eye health at the same time. Fights oxidative stress. Aging is essentially the process of oxidative stress breaking down cells faster than the body can repair them. For your eyes, this means damage to the retina, lens, and optic nerve. Kiwi provides antioxidants that act like tiny firefighters, putting out the flames of oxidative stress so your eyes can heal. Section 4. How seniors can add kiwi before bed. Now you may be wondering, how do I actually add kiwi into my nightly routine? It's simple. Eat 1 fresh kiwi about an hour before bedtime. You can slice it in half and scoop it out with a spoon, or peel and slice it like an apple. If you prefer something warm and soothing, blend kiwi into a smoothie with a little banana and oat milk. Or add kiwi slices on top of Greek yogurt with a drizzle of honey. Consistency is key. If you eat kiwi regularly before bed, you'll likely notice not just better sleep, but also healthier, more refreshed eyes when you wake up. Section 5. The bigger picture of nutrition and eye care. Of course, kiwi alone isn't a miracle cure. Think of it as part of a bigger eye care lifestyle. Here are some other foods that pair well with kiwi for maximum eye benefits. Carrots and sweet potatoes, for beta-carotene. Spinach and kale, rich in lutein. Blueberries and grapes, for anthocyanins that strengthen blood vessels in the eyes. Nuts and seeds, especially almonds and sunflower seeds, for vitamin E. When seniors over 60 combine these foods with kiwi at night, the results can be powerful. It's like giving your eyes a natural shield against aging. Section 6. Stories from seniors who tried this. Many seniors in the US who've added kiwi before bed have shared positive stories. Some say they've noticed less dryness in the morning, while others say they can finally read without their eyes feeling so strained. One grandmother even shared that she no longer needs to squint when watching her favorite TV shows at night. These may sound like small victories, but for seniors, small victories add up to big improvements in independence and quality of life. Section 7. Safety and considerations. Now, before you rush out to buy a bag of kiwis, let's talk safety. Kiwi is generally safe, but it can cause mild allergies in some people. If you've never eaten kiwi before, start with a small piece and see how your body reacts. Because kiwi contains natural sugars, people with diabetes should monitor their blood sugar levels. Fortunately, kiwi has a low glycemic index, making it one of the safer fruits for diabetics. Always check with your doctor if you have dietary restrictions or are on blood-thinning medications, as kiwi contains vitamin K, which can interact with certain drugs. Section 8. The emotional side of eye health for seniors. Let's pause for a moment and think about why protecting your eyesight really matters. For seniors over 60 in the United States, eyesight isn't just about being able to read or watch TV. It's about driving safely, recognizing loved ones' faces, and enjoying the beauty of life. Losing vision can be emotionally devastating, leading to isolation and depression. But the good news is, you are not powerless. Something as simple as eating one kiwi before bed is a small, daily act of self-care that can have a powerful impact on your independence and happiness. Thank you for watching Only for Seniors. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another tip designed just for you. And before you go, let us know in the comments, have you ever tried kiwi before bed? Did you notice a difference in your sleep or eye health? We'd love to hear your stories. Until next time, take care of yourself, and remember, your golden years can be your healthiest years.